Let me ask you something. What's the real reason most experts, affiliate marketers, network marketers, and online business owners never quite break through to high ticket pricing? It's not because they aren't good enough, and it's definitely not because there aren't clients willing to pay. No, it's really what I find because they're stuck in the wrong mindset. And so today, I'm diving into 4 surprising things about high ticket coaching that I see very few people talking about. And by the end of this video, you should see why high ticket coaching is not just a pricing strategy. It's a whole new level of transformation for both you and the people that I know you're passionate about helping. By the way, I'm Matt Zavadil, and I'm passionate myself about helping home business owners like you improve your leadership and marketing skills. And this is video number 4 in my 4 Interesting Things series that digs into exciting ways to look at your network marketing, affiliate marketing, and online business income possibilities. So check out the full playlist later. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you love the tips I'm about to hop into. So the first interesting thing about high ticket coaching is an unexpected mindset shift that happens when you're charging high ticket prices. There's 3 components to it that I want to discuss with you. The first one is this increase in confidence and self-worth that you feel as the coach, as the person providing the service. See, what happens is you stop undervaluing yourself. You start to realize, hey, I'm worth this. Your confidence skyrockets because now you're truly owning your expertise and what you can deliver. The second aspect to this is that there's a shift that happens where you go from selling to serving, where in your mind, it's no longer about selling a package. You're actually here to serve at the highest level possible. And you'll find that when clients invest more with you, you invest more as well. You actually become a trusted partner in their transformation. And in the third part to this, you start to attract clients who themselves, inside themselves, they really value results. It's a game changer. Charging the high ticket price naturally brings people to you who are laser focused on results. They're serious, they're ready, they're willing to put in the work. And that makes your job a lot easier and just more fulfilling. The second interesting thing to this whole process of high ticket pricing and high ticket coaching is that you're attracting the best clients. And it's not just because they have the money to spend more. Really what it comes down to is the commitment becomes higher on their side. You know, when they drop serious cash with you on coaching, they become all in. They've got that saying we've all heard, they got skin in the game. They're not just here to dabble into what you have to offer. And maybe they'll use it, maybe they won't. They really start to show up, take action, get results faster because they want to make every dollar count. And also what happens is you start attracting these clients who themselves, they're already problem solvers. They're not here to make excuses or expect you to do all the work for them. They see coaching as a partnership and they really take responsibility for their own success, which makes working with them super rewarding on your side. Their vision, their values start to match yours. It's really interesting. You attract clients who are truly aligned with what you stand for. They want your unique perspective and expertise on all of that. And I just find that makes the coaching relationship a lot more fun. Now, the third interesting thing about high ticket coaching and pricing is the way it raises your status. What you're going to find is that you're positioning yourself at that point as the expert as opposed to being a generalist. And when you offer a high ticket program, you'll find that you're competing with fewer people out there. People see you as someone who delivers high value, specialized solutions that your competitors aren't talking about, and it creates exclusivity and demand in your services, right? It kind of gives that vibe of, hey, this person has something different to offer than all the lower price things that I see out there that are competing for my time and my attention. That's the thought process going through your clients' minds. It sends a message that your services specifically are in demand. And that makes people want to work with you even more. It's just human nature for us to think that way. And as your high ticket clients get big results, and those results turn into them wanting to talk about it and tell their story around it, you can now collect more powerful testimonials and case studies that then you can use to further boost your credibility and authority over time. It's a win-win for both sides. And now the fourth thing about high ticket programs that I find fascinating is the way it helps your clients break through their limiting beliefs faster than anything else out there. The investment they make shifts their identity around forcing themselves almost to behave and think differently around the solution that you're helping them achieve, okay? So they begin to think, hey, I'm the kind of person who invests in myself at this high level. And that mindset shift alone can propel them forward into really amazing results. As well, you're going to find that they get more intensive support and that intensive support shatters any mental barriers they may have come into the program with. And it's just something that a lower tier, lower price program, you don't have the time to offer to folks. But when it's high ticket, you can invest more time in your people, in your clients, where you're there to guide them through the tough stuff, right? Breaking down those mental barriers, helping them push past the fears that they previously allowed to stop them. And what they also get is exposure to a new peer group, because as your high ticket client base gets larger and larger over time, you go from the first client to the second client to the third, and eventually you have 10 clients and 20 clients and so on. Now you're exposing each new client to other high achievers. And when they see others in the program crushing it, they're inspired to push through their own limits. It's kind of like that rising tide lifts all boats effect, right? And it really is a game changer for those folks that you're helping. So there you have it. 4 interesting things about why high ticket coaching isn't just about charging more, but about delivering a deeper, more transformational experience for both you and your clients. And here's the thing, when you embrace high ticket coaching, it's not just your business that changes. You change, your clients change, and suddenly you're operating at a whole new level. So think about this for a second. If you're a network marketer, for example, you might market your main MLM product on the front end and then offer a high ticket coaching offer on the back end to those customers. If you're an affiliate marketer, you do the same thing, where you might have a $100 or a $500 offer on the front end where you're marketing someone else's product or service, right? Because that's what an affiliate marketer does. And then on the back end of that, you can offer those customers the ability to get coaching from you for $1,000, $5,000, or even more. By the way, I found a biblical principle in the book of Judges, chapter 3, that helps me better see the picture around positioning my lower priced offers against a premium high ticket coaching offer. Over the past few months, I've definitely seen a shift in the number of lower priced sales coming in. And speaking to some other people in the overall community of network and affiliate marketing, I'm not the only one. So I've gone back to school myself recently, so to speak, studying marketing even more, looking for how I can improve my marketing and leadership skills to more effectively communicate my value to others. And I've gone through some frustrations on my own with some declining sales conversions inside whatever this current economy is doing right now. So if you're finding the same, I want you to know you're not alone in this, okay? And it's okay to talk about this. I think we all need to talk about this, and we all need to help each other get better at leadership and marketing so we can help one another overcome it. We're all navigating this. But in Judges chapter 3, it talks about the cleansing process of taking in God's word. We don't want to just go through the Bible just to go through it, but to have the word go through us and cleanse us. So look, if you're struggling in your marketing efforts in any way, just, consider adding a high ticket offer to the product or service you're marketing for others through MLM or affiliate marketing. It might just be the cleansing process any income frustrations you're feeling needs. One $2,000 or $3,000 or $5,000 sale can make up for losing a $50 or $150 sale that you're not making as often as maybe you used to. Just some food for thought, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, you got some new ideas, hopefully I've got your brainstorming juices going a little bit, please subscribe so you always know when I post new training, and like the video so I can reach more people on YouTube. If you actually liked it, then go ahead and hit that like button and share this video with those people that need to hear the message. And by the way, if you have any questions or comments, comment below in the video. I'll come in and comment back to you, answer questions, things of that nature. As well, check out the link in the pinned comment and description to our affiliates digital marketing skills training series. If you're an affiliate, it not only teaches you how to up-level your digital marketing skills overall, whether you're a beginner or a more advanced affiliate marketer, but it also goes into more details about this entire high-ticket coaching business idea that I've been talking about here. And if you're already a network marketer needing to up-level your online marketing skills, go ahead and go through the digital recruiting bootcamp series I put in the pinned comment and description as well. What that'll do for MLM is help you get the entire picture of how to get leads for your network marketing business through social media. Okay, that's it for now. I'm signing off, and I encourage you, go use these ideas inside your unique business structure.